Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Google Analytics easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Google Analytics and sign into your account. Navigate to the admin section located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Select the account property you want to scale. Go to the data streams under the property column. Choose the appropriate data stream for your website or app. Scroll down to find the Enhanced Measurements section. Toggle on the features that you want to track automatically. Next, access the Reports tab in the left sidebar. Review the real-time reports to understand user engagement. Check the audience reports to gain insights into demographics and interests. Explore acquisition reports to identify which channels are driving traffic. Utilize behavior reports to analyze how users interact with your content. Set up goals by navigating to the Goals section in the Admin tab. Click on New Goal and follow the prompts to define your target outcomes. Incorporate event tracking for specific user interactions that matter to your business. Use custom dashboards to visualize data that's relevant to your scaling strategy. Explore the Explore section for advanced analysis tools. Regularly monitor your data to identify trends and opportunities for growth. Consult the Google Analytics Academy for additional learning resources. Implement what you learn to continuously optimize your marketing efforts. Lastly, share insights with your team to align on scaling strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.